Student, I am describing the topic mole concept. Mole concept. What is mole? It is the quantity of any substance having same number of particles. Same number of particles means particles are atoms, ions or molecule. That means 1 mole of substance, any substance, X, Y, Z, any substance having the same number of atom, same number of ions and same number of molecules means it is equal to Avogadro number, which is represented by N naught, and it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now we understand this concept by a flow chart. Here is the flow chart. Like 1 mole of any substance is equal to number of particle that is atom, ion and molecule, and 1 mole of substance is also equal to atomic mass or the molar mass. Atomic mass or the molar mass of the substance, which unit is gram. But in the case of relative atomic mass, what is relative atomic mass? It is the quantity of the substance which is obtained by comparing the quantity with carbon 12 atom. Its unit is U. What is U? It is the atomic mass unit. It is the atomic mass unit. For atomic mass unit, the number of particle is not be equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro number is not equal for the atomic mass unit. For the atomic mass unit, for example, if we take for hydrogen, 1 U of hydrogen atom has number of atom. The formula of hydrogen atom is H. That means it has number of atom 1. If in other way, if we tell 1 U of hydrogen molecule means H2 has number of atom, number of molecule, not atom. In this case, we calculate the molecules because there is the molecule. So, there is also 1. But if we use in place of U the mass, that is in gram, 1 gram of hydrogen atom has number of atom is equal to, that means here you represent this number of atom by Avogadro number, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is the difference between a relative atomic mass unit and the molecular mass of the unit. How to represent the number of atom for the relative atomic mass unit and how to represent the number of atom for the atomic mass or molar mass of any substance. I can understand more clearly this by an example. We take an example. The question is, find the number of atom for 46 gram of sodium, and other question is find the number of atom for 36 gram of water. 36 U, atomic mass unit of water. Now, for the first question, find the number of atom for 46 gram of sodium. 46 gram of sodium. That means by the unit you get that it is given you the mass, not the relative atomic mass. It is the atomic mass, it is the mass, quantity of the substance. Okay, then we know that sodium has atomic mass. How much? Sodium has atomic mass equal to 23 gram. So, by Avogadro number, 23 gram of sodium has number of atom equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Then easily you can find for the 46 gram. For the 46 gram, there is the 6.022 into 10 to power 23 upon 23 into 46. 23 to the 46 and you will get the answer. This is for 23, this is for 46 gram of sodium. Sodium substance. This is a substance. Other question is 36 U. U means atomic mass unit of water. Water, molar mass of water is, first you find the molecular mass of water. That is 2 into 1 plus oxygen 16. 18 U. For 18 atomic mass unit of water has, this is the molecular formula, has number of molecule is equal to, there is a question is number of molecules is 1. So then they are asking for 36 unit. Then you can easily find it. For 36 unit, number of molecule is 1 upon 18 into 36, number of molecule. That means 2. Then I think you getting the concept clearly. Thank you.